Today we're going to talk about side access. The top container has a roll-up door we installed on the side. That's one option. The second option is a complete open side. As you can see, this door opens up completely as well. And then the third option is two doors on the side, two regular container doors. This is not a complete open side, guys. So if you guys need a side access, these are your options. And if you find these containers super cheap, be aware scammers are after these containers. They scam a lot of people I meet every week. Please be aware. Don't buy unless you meet with them.